motion on your skin, so be aware you will feel it happening. If you have any sort of uncomfortableness, irritation, please stop using it right away. So we'll get it started, and it's set on a 1. So when we're starting out, and you really do it section by section, so we're going to do Katie's forehead first, and you're going to always do an upward motion, dragging it along the skin. And you'll do that until the time period is over. So it's about a 3-minute section when you're doing it on a forehead. So again, I recommend doing one whole area first, and you can already start to see the difference. You might have a little bit of redness at first, that'll dissipate right away. Again, if you have some issues within that 24-hour period, please discontinue using it. So when I'm doing it along the jawline and the cheek area, I'm going to have it in constant motion and doing upward strokes with it. And make sure that you're just getting every inch of that area. And again, it will turn off when you're ready to go to the next area. When you're going around the nose area, it's going to be really easy with this finer tip one to go right around the nose. Sometimes it's easier to kind of do like a circle around it versus going like up the whole time on your nose. Now that we have used the fine tip, doing the microdermabrasion on Katie's entire face, what I like to do then is actually pull off the top piece, and you're going to pull the little insert right out. Then you're going to put it onto the suction cup. And what this is going to do, it's going to pick up any debris that's left on the skin and clean everything up. So it's almost like a little suction cup that's going to clean up all of the debris. Again, I would keep this on setting number 1 when you're first starting out. And you're just going to go back over the whole thing again, and you're going to go upwards. I'm using the oval one. You'll see that this is not as aggressive as the other one. It's just cleaning up anything that's sitting on the surface of that skin. And again, you do those upward motions and make sure you go back over all of the areas that you've already done. This works really great too, the suction cups do, if you turn the setting up higher, especially around the nose, if you have any congestion. It works great to kind of pinpoint the congested area and turn it up to more of a 3, and you can really get that blackhead or the acne out of that pore. And again, you're just going to go up, following that same motion, the same path that you did the first time around, and this will clean up that debris. Perfect. So when you're all done using your microdermabrasion tool, and you've done the first round with your diamond tip, and then you've used the suction cup to take off any debris the second time around, I like to store it back in its case and keep all the components together so you don't lose it. Also, do this maybe 2 or 3 times a week for a 6-week period, and then take a break for a bit. You don't want to be doing this continually for month after month. You need to give your skin a little bit of a break. Also, it's really great, you know, when you do it that first day, waiting in that 24-hour period, make sure you're not having any sort of reaction or anything like that. And then what I would recommend is staying out of the sun. Don't use any sort of retinol products, even hot water for the first couple days when you do this, so your skin can repair and restore. That's again the measurable difference microdermabrasion system.